Hello friends, welcome to Mallu Investor Channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please read the disclaimer at the beginning of this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification. So today I'm in front of you to discuss about a brand new smart contract project under Tron blockchain, which is named Hexa. It's a next generation peer-to-peer program, and it's a wonderful opportunity for all of us. Okay, Hexa is the next generation peer-to-peer program, and it is developed by developers with experience of 2+ years, and it has 3 manual program and 3 automatic metrics. Okay, so literally you have about 84 ways to earn. Okay, manual and automatic, and the great ways, 84 ways, and the great thing is you can only start with a minimum of 750 TRX, okay, or Tron coin. So 750 Tron coin as of today's day rate, it is about 1 rupee 55, which is approximately equivalent to less than 1,200 rupees, which anyone can start easily with this concept. All right. So great opportunity. 3 manual. We are only investing for manual, and we get free automatic metrics along when we are working on manual. So this is a smart contract which can run on its own without any human interaction, and it is known as a peer-to-peer system and fully transfer. All the transaction can be verified easily by anyone, and this is 100% decentralized, secure. It cannot be hacked, and there is no owner of this program. Why did we choose Tron blockchain? Recently we have been doing Ethereum program, okay, and as you know, in Ethereum smart contract, there's a transaction fees too much right now. It's up to 70%, $5, $10, $20, and a lot of amount. And with the increasing price of the Ethereum, a lot of slow speed pending transaction, and it's really costly because it's hard to blockchain. So that is why we thought, okay, it's the right time to do the Tron blockchain, Tron smart contract, and simply because a Tron smart contract is very less expensive. I mean, literally, it can be, some of the times fees can be even very minute. It's a super fast transaction, instant speed, no pending transaction, very, very cheap and accessible, and it's very easy to use and very simple. Okay, and this is the simplest reason we want to try Tron smart contract, and with a wonderful global opportunity with manual and automatic spillovers and automatic opportunity, where you'll be investing only for 3 manual and you get free automatic levels to use. All right. So how is the compensation plan? In Hexa, you will earn from 6 metrics simultaneously. You have 6 income stream, 3 manual metrics and 3 automatic metrics. In manual, you have M3, M4, and M9, and in automatic, you have A3, A4, and A9 as well. So that's it, 6 income stream simultaneously, and we have 14 slots starting from 250 Tron to 500. Each level upgrade doubled up and until up to 14 level, which means that's huge opportunity for all of us to make a great amount of money. While we are investing only on manual, automatically you get upgraded automatically because of the work what we'll be doing on the manual, and that is the beauty of this smart contract, guys. Okay, and as you know, when you start, it automatically divided into 3 income streams, and literally it's a great innovative smart contract that I have seen recently. Okay, how are we going to start? All right, how to start? Investing only 750 Tron. We only need to invest 750, and it will be divided into 3 categories: M3, M4, M9. I mean, manual 3, manual 4, and manual 9. Okay, and each of those metrics is going to give us income. All right, and as you see here, it's a 1 line 3 member, and M4 is a 2 line. It's a 6 member stream. And M9, which is new, innovative, it's a 2 line as well, and it's a 12 member stream as well, and that's why it is a great program that can be started. So let's talk about M3 metrics. In M3 metrics, where you see the green color, 100% payment from these position, that's a green position, goes directly to instantly to us. Okay, and that goes to directly to us. And the third one, your sponsor will get that payment. That particular third one or red color one will go to your sponsor. It's a normal single line matrix, which is we have seen in many programs. Okay, and once we do the recycling, we get the reset automatically, and that amount goes to sponsor, and we get the opportunity to add more members there. This is the only stream where we can add members directly to this program. And whenever we upgrade, automatically we follow the follow me structure, and our downlines also we need to bring them down. Okay, simple picturization. So as you can see, A and B, the 100% payment goes to us. C, 100% goes to upline. Let's talk about M4 matrix. M4 matrix is a two line. The blue color, what you see, the 1 and 2, and the green, there's 3. The first two blue color payment goes to your upline. Okay, that's go to your upline. The next second line, the green color, goes to you, and the last one, red, is used to reinvestment, and that payment goes to your sponsor, and we get another vacant slot. All right, and here we also have an opportunity of a spillover and overflow. Spillover from up, overflow from your downline, from below as well. So that's the great opportunity in M4 metrics. And when we upgrade the level, automatically our downlines also get up. They also upgrade, we get the payment from them as well. So that's a great opportunity here, and overflow is attractive over here. As you can see, it's a 50-50%. The 3 payments goes to us, 3 payment goes to upline. So it's a win-win situation here. All right, let us talk about how individually this payment system is done. So as you can see, in a single line, A, B goes to your upline, C, D, E goes to you, and F is used to reinvestment or renewal and goes to your upline as well. And this cycle, this process continue until how many members join under this program. All right, let's talk about M9 matrix. It's a new position or new thing which you have seen, where there's a 2 line. The first line, blue color, 3 members. Okay, all these 3 payment goes to your upline. These 3 payments goes to upline. The next line, we have about 8 members, and these 7 payment goes to you. Okay, sorry, 8 payments. So there's a 9 in the second line. 8 payments goes to you, and 9th one goes to your upline as well. So altogether we have 12 here, and 4 payments goes to your upline, and 8 payments goes to your. And this is a structure of 66 to 33, as we've seen in the M3. And here also we have overflow and spillover, like what we have seen, and there's a great opportunity of spill overflow, and also when we upgrade the level, we get a benefit of that as well from all the levels. Okay, all right, let's look into how exactly this work in the structural level. And as you can see here, all the payments, I mean, in the green color, D to K, 8 payment goes to you, and the blue color, A, B, C, and L goes to you. That's the 66 to 33%. All right, now we have one more thing. If your reference, your downlines upgraded faster than you, upgraded the levels which you have not upgraded, then you're going to lose that payment. So what we have to make sure is we have to make sure we are up to date. We are upgrading one level higher than our downlines, one level faster than them. So we have to be always focused and checking on these every time. All right. Now look at the opportunity, guys. This is just purely manual 3 matrices, and just one cycling of each of these level, can earn you total of, as you can see here, total of that's like 81 lakh. That's about 1.2 CR, just one cycling. All right, and the second A4 is like 12.2. That can go up to 1.8 CR as well. and A9 which will go up to 32. That's about 4.8 CR. That's how the opportunity we have, guys. So if we count together, that's a huge amount. Just matter of one cycling, and this is unlimited opportunity, guys. It's a long time, lifetime investment opportunity that we have. It's on a Tron network, and as you know, Tron is cheaper, where we can buy easily. Anyone can affordable to buy, and this is the greatest opportunity we have in front of us. All right. So let's talk about automatic matrices. Automatic matrices, the first and foremost thing. This is the greatest innovation what we have seen. It's a free activation. You don't have to pay extra to activate these automatic matrices. You don't have to pay upgrade to higher slots. It's done freely, automatically. And the last one, unlimited potential. It's a fully automated system with unlimited earning potential, guys. Okay, this is a fully automated system with great opportunity. All right, and as I would like to share the next one, they work the same as the manual. It's a processing, working, everything is manual. Activate with the first payment of the manual. So whenever you have a manual, for example in the A3, when you get the first payment in M3 matrix, your A3 matrix gets activated, and when it gets filled here automatically, the first two payments, that's a green color, first two payments, when you get filled there, that payment will be used to upgrade to your next level only on the first cycle, guys. Okay, on the second cycle onwards, all those payments goes to you directly. That goes to directly to you on the so for only the first two payments. Okay, and the third payment here, it's goes to your upline, and then we get the reinvestment here. Okay, only the first two payments we have that, and third payment goes to your upline. So it's the same structure as M3. So we just have to remember that it's the same method, but it's all done automatically. You don't have to pay. Your level is upgraded automatically because of that, how it is filled. So that's the beauty of these contract, this project. All right, and it's the greatest opportunity what we have, guys. All right. So let's the second cycle onwards, again, like I mentioned earlier, second cycle onwards, you are going to get that payment, and third one goes to your upline as well. So that's 66 to 33% average, 2:1. All right, next one, A4 matrix. Again, the first payment you receive in M4 matrix will activate your position in A4 matrix. There's a two line, as you know, payment blue color, first payment and second payment goes to your upline. All right, that goes to your upline, and third payment, all right, and the second line, the three payment, out of those three, two payments are used to upgrade to your second level, and the third payment goes to you, and fourth one is used to reinvestment. And here we have an opportunity of overflow from downline and upline. We have that opportunity here. Okay, so that's a great opportunity, and you don't going to pay for anything. The level upgrade is done automatically. That's the beauty of this particular concept, and it's done automatically. And once you upgrade the level as well, you get the level upgrade. Same, you use the follow me strategy. Your referrals from Informatrix will also be placed under you in A4 as they qualify. So all of those A4 will come here as well. So it's like automatically filled opportunity. That's the beauty of this concept, and I mean, really something looking forward that you can build long term on this contract, guys. Okay, so let's talk about A9 matrix. A9 matrix, the first payment you receive in M9 matrix will activate your position in A9 matrix, and your sponsor will receive the payment from these position 1, 2, 3. The first line, all the three payment goes to you. Second line, all the 8 payments, that's like 8 payment goes to you. But here in this A9 matrix, 2 of those 8 payments is used to your level upgrade, but you're going to get 6 payments from these to you, and 9th payment will be used to reinvestment, guys. So it's a wonderful opportunity, great opportunity that we are looking forward to do it together. And here we also have overflow and spillover as well. Okay, spillover and overflow we do have, and it's a greatest opportunity that we are going to have. Look at the income opportunity, guys. guys. You can cycle unlimited times in each slot. This one we're talking, the first part is only one cycle, the first cycle. And look at the opportunity. If you complete level 14, all the 14, just one cycle, that's like 40 lakh 96, approximately 60 lakh INR, Indian rupees, just for one cycle. All right, that's a huge amount. That's a huge amount, guys. The 13 slots are used to upgrade. Now the second A4, we have about 81 lakh approximately, or 82 lakhs. That's approximately 1.2 CR, 1.2 CR Indian rupees. And look at the A9 opportunity, guys. Okay, that's a huge 2 crore 86 itself is more than 3 crore. And when it goes to second cycle onwards, look at that, each cycle, how much is that? It's almost a double, or almost a double. So you look at this is just the automatic. So if you complete one entire cycle, automatic and the manual, that's be a huge amount. Okay, now look at the requirement. What are the requirement? In order to participate in Hexa, the only requirement we have is Tron wallet, that using a smartphone, and Tron Link Chrome extension, that's from the computer. Okay, you can use Google Play Store and App Store from the iPhone, and it's very simple and easy process. We have done a lot of projects in Tron before, so I think you guys should be useful. But I have already done the video about how to do that. You can use that video to download and install as well. So this is the greatest opportunity we have, and it's going to launch next week. It can be from any time from tomorrow until Friday. So we have to, I have formed a group. Please stay in the group, WhatsApp and Telegram, and we'll be sharing the updates about the exact launch date and everything in that channel. And as you know, the benefit of joining with Malu investor team is that we used to have a lot of campaigns, launching campaigns. We used to have Zoom meetings, Zoom meeting prizes, campaigns, and so many things to promote the teams, guys. So that's the benefit of sticking with Malu investor team. Okay, and there's a WhatsApp group there, and there's a Telegram channel as well. Stick on to that. We'll be sharing more updates, and let's do this together. Let's earn this together. Let's make it a huge success. We have done, I know there have been a lot of programs we started, we want to do great, and due to some or the other reason we can't continue. I'm not dropping any of them, I'm still doing it, but this I see a huge potential, and it's the greatest opportunity in front of us, and we have to do this together. Okay, let's all work on this together and make this wonderful great opportunity that we can look forward. Okay, that's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be coming back soon with another one, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and share this video to anyone who might be useful. Okay, and once again, really appreciate, and thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, take care, and see you soon. Bye.